Yo abusiafo. Anopa mi mo bi achi, mi chacho obi bia. Me gidi se obi a ya anopa e de fa chem se. E bia me nya no anopa e fa chem pa. Ade achi biom Africa. Obi be se ade achi biom ato ha ne obre. Be ne den. Ade achi wo Africa nkwa de na aja. Obre na ye den ye to aso day and night. E wi ebo ensu to Africa. Ni titru Ghana brena na ye den ye gusa ye den ye bre. Ba emrepa ba. A slow motion is better than no motion. I'm say anopa men shada ntamba life say because of a juma 70 back. Unfortunately ndra na me hon fami. On say adechia was akoni abano nyezi. Cheto da bia na body na ya ikakranti aja. Wa pe baby the body na to na wa relax body na ayeden. Ba me hu ayi bi wo social media. Asemo Dr. Bamia, the Vice President of Ghana, Eko Kasai. The Vice President of Ghana. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Ekasai. Me, I don't know Eda or Kasai. Me nim Bra or Kasai. Me nim Dit or Kasai. But me pese Kasano or Kano. Me repeat Kasano Mamuha. Dr. Bawumia, the Vice President of Ghana. E bi na no. Catch Ghana for say. Demons and principalities are fighting against the economy of Ghana. We need to pray and fight them back. Say demons and evils, principalities are fighting against the economy of Ghana. Until Dr. Bawumia person chen say, "Yawa hum fi money." Mutia honhom na me wota honhom abosom honhom abayifo honhom ahonhom fi ko atia Ghana amanyosem Ghana economy no enunti na nioma nyeden enkoyi na they are also ready to fight back. Over so abomodin se obe share some short video ya mam da bia asema ya meka no se obe steady me a meka bibia meka Ghana sem mefa Ghana sem na meka I landed in religion. Musi da bia meka say if we don't replace our leaders ebeye din say Ghana be yi. We don't need religious leaders as for this country. You hear religious leaders, either Muslims and Christians. Emre bi etwa mu enche endu 1 month 2 month. Nanado babonte be ka che Ghana for say we should pray for him. He need wisdom to control our mind. Nanado be ka say he need wisdom. Ghanaians should pray for him so that obenya nyensa na mfambu our mind no. Okoka they will go and go through with Solomon. Say Solomon pray for wisdom. Me ka kire Ghana for na me koso aka say Ghana for Ghana man ya yewo mu yi. Say yanyi nkrambufuo na yanyi Kristofo amfiri ya manyosem na de bia nkrambufuo na Kristofo ne bedi anim a Ghana for ye ho nto ye da Ghana ye bebresa because omu wie bibia na omu de akoshe religion afi won bibia Bawumia or driver asemanoko. Sisi Dr. Bawumia pese Ghana 40 asese. Economy na enko yi. Affordable houses na yesisi in Wirem. Ye Ghana kwan na atutu adani manhouse. Ye ni good education. Ye manye school papa nko. Ye ni adwuma wo manum. Ye nye den. Ye ni adwuma wo manum. Akwan na asai. Ye ni hospitals no. Demons and they fight against the demons and they fight against the economy of Ghana. The Dr. Bawumia no opeso yini nyina de ko shabo nsamfo abayefo ne abosomfo mahu yempenifo ntina sometimes obehwe me videos a me nka say ye obi di atem but minia wo de sheda fa me video na hwe say me video ben na like atemididie sheda ye den ewom but this time who say yempenifo no mu hia atemididie e say ye di o mu atem ka kiro mu say o mu adimi o mu adwenye adwuma. Now, the vice president of this nation, who be kasa about the economy of Ghana now, who be catching Ghana for say, demons and principalities are fighting against the economy of Ghana, and we need to fight against them back, and they will fight against them back. When we say you want to who be can, who disprove me say your God never existed. Ghana ha nanado. Eye Christoni, Bawumia eye Nkramboni. Two strongholds. Nyame mienu omo ho ye den omo agi wesi. These two God are controlling the world. Jesus and how do you call it? Allah are controlling the world. Nti Dr. Bawumia, how can Allah support you? How can Jesus support Nanado so that you can conquer the devils, the principalities, the abayifonia, bosomfona, ye kuantia the economy of Ghana? Dr. Bawumia we Nkramboni, uji Allah di, unim say Allah wotumi, Nanado ji Yesu ndi, unim say Yesu wotumi, Jesus wo power. Until Jesus ni tumi ni wohin, Allah ni tumi ni wohina, the two stronghold, the powerful God, nipa di omuachi ba akoye ala na ba akoye Jesus no muntimi support Nanado ni Bawumia to fight against the principalities, the demons, the evils, and the abayefo na they fight against economy no. Now we be catch yen Ghana for say principalities abosomfo atumi abayefo ne akonfo ne abosom ene ekuatia the economy of Ghana. Nti abayefo na mamuntimi nsi hospitals. Abayefo no ena mamuntimi nsi good rules. Abayefo na mamuntimi nyeden entimi bie companies, factories for the masses, for the citizens. Enye adwuma. Abayefo na stop muntire muntimi nye kwan. Abayefo na stop muntire muntimi nsi hospitals. Ema yale baby papa sa ho yale. Na sa abayefo wi sa abayifo na ye kuatia mo no abayifo ye de nti na sa abayifo yo munkuntia European countries bayi na kuatia the economy of Ghana no sa bayi no ade nti na onkuntia Europe ade nti na onkuntia France for ade nti na abayifo no nkuntia UK ade nti na abayifo no ntimi omuntimi nkokon Dubai nti mwatena se nti na abayifo ko atia mo no ade nti na mo magana fo nti ase se Ghana fo yesremo enye ya na economy na enko yi no eya abayifo eye maame wota eye motia eye abosomfo na eku atia ye nti na me Bawumia ni Nanado ye ntimi hwe oman ni yi no nti any speech topic be amenya platform be amenya no I landed in religion make a tremo say for Ghana befa ntuma pafra no we don't need religious leaders la we don't need Muslims as our leaders, we don't need Christians as our leaders, because when they come some baswa adwuma ese some ye ma oman economy no be koyi be fixi oman no oman ne be fa ntuma pafra no they won't do it. At the end of the day no they will tell you say eya abosomfo ne abayifo ne kunti omo nti that means eya abayifo na aso Ghana economy mu enu nti ntimi build oman no eya abayifo na aso Ghana economy no Ghana sika na ye de besi hospital no abayifo na afa e de akwa bayi camp sika na ye de betoto ye de besi factories, machines, sika na ye de be ye kwan, sika na ye de besi hospital, sika na ye de besi school dan, sika na ye de beto nyoma, ye de beto equipment e de ama ye ma computers edi ama yema atime sua anya technology anya adwempa na da acho mudi abesiesi oman no abayefo no nyina sese sika no de akoto baye camp omo de akoto baye kukuom enu nti they can feed the nation. Now the president of Ghana is telling Ghanaians say that evils and principalities, the demons, the man-made, the how do you call it, bad spirit are fighting against the economy of Ghana. That is why they can build Ghana, they can fix the country Ghana. Look at this nonsense. Look at the age of our vice president. And look at what he's telling the nation. Look at what he's telling the people. I tell you, religion is the problem of Africa. Until we have free thinkers as our leaders, this nation, this Africa, Ghana, Africa will never be well. Africa will never prosper. Africa will never prosper until we do away with these foolish old people leading us. Until we do away with this nonsense, stupid, and wicked leaders. I choose not to insult, but sometimes you have to tell them when they are fool, tell them they are fool. How can you, the almighty vice president of this nation, telling the masses, telling the citizens that evils and principalities are fighting against you people? That is why you can develop the nation. These same evils and principalities are fighting, but still you can develop your house, you can develop your family, you can fix your house. And I'm telling people, they fix their houses, they can fix the country. You fix your houses, you fix your family, you fix your environment, but you can't fix the nation. Look at this nonsense. In this case, people will go out and vote for them, put them in power. We are the same people who put you on power. We need you. And now look at what you are telling the masses. Look at what you are telling Ghanaians, that evil and principalities. That means, or no person say, I buy you for and ekutia Ghana or mine. I buy you for and ekutia Ghana economy. Until the moment see economy no. And when they want to pray trickish, when they want to divert people's brain, when they want to put your brain away from something, they start saying this nonsense. Because they know we, the citizens, we are too religious. So when they tell you it is not them, it is a spiritual fight, it is a spiritual battle, then you forget them. Then, now like I said, then, sanity there. Look at this nonsense. Can you hear this nonsense? Go to social media. My phone is only one. Phone me ba kun kamebo. Nanka why dey what ye nkwasi asem ekoso. What ye nkwasi asem Papa Pini, the vice president of Ghana. Aba bonti be ka kire Ghana for say. Because they can fix the nation, because they can build the economy, because they can fix Ghana, because they can build, how do you call it, roads, good roads, they can build hospitals, they can build good education, they can build companies and factories for the people to work, because it is only because devils are fighting against them. Occult people are fighting against them, which is a wizard are in control. That is why they can build the economy. Can you hear this nonsense? Have you ever heard this nonsense? Can you go to China so that the president of China, Win Shangwum, will tell you this nonsense? Can you go to USA for Obama, George Bush, or how do you call it, Joe Biden, to tell you I can't fix the economy because devils are fighting against me? Because occult people are fighting against me, because Illuminatis are fighting against me. That is why I can't build the economy. Citizens of Ghana, this is the time we have to wake up from the brain. We have to rise up from the brain. These people are useless. We don't need them. I always keep on telling you, the way I see religion is not the way people see religion. I see religion the greatest weapon, the greatest poison ever. The greatest weapon, the greatest poison ever. Religion has poisoned people's brain. Christianity, Islam has poisoned people's brain. People like our leaders, our president, our MPs, our DCs, our vices, our defense ministers, those religious leaders, the brain is at flight mode. The brain of the black man is at flight mode because of religion, because of Christianity and Islam. Now we don't fear to mention names. So last I was saying, a good slave is the one who can take care, or who can take a good care of his slave master's property. A good slave is the one who can take good care of his slave master's property. Your slave master brought you religion, Christianity and Islam. They went away and you are now taking good care of the religion. The property of your slave master is the religion, Christianity and Islam. And we, the black people, are here taking good care of it, while the slave master has forgotten religion, building his own nation with technology, agriculture. The slave master is building his own economy, building his nation with technology. And you are now telling us, you are now telling the black people, you are now telling Ghanaians, say, you can't fix the nation, you can't fix the country, you can't fix the economy, you can't build the nation because you are fixing, how do you call it? Your friend is saying, Charlie. I said, Charlie, what type of nonsense is this? An old man like Bawumia, vice president, the second caretaker of the whole Ghana, 31 million people, the second caretaker of Ghana. Look at what you are telling the masses. No, the evils, the witches and wizards who are fighting against you, which cannot let you build the nation, the same witches and devil cannot fight against you by fixing your homes. You fix your homes, you build your homes, you fix your family, and you can't fix the nation, telling us, say, because you have been fighting, hey, Massa, Brofono cry, you can't say cry. Fuad, Brofono, how do I put that Brofo? DJ Fuad, when I'm going to school, I can say Abubo degree. Fuad, come and teach me the English. DJ Fuad, whether you come and teach me the English. Do you hear what Maumia is telling us? Say, demons and principalities are fighting against. So, demons and principalities are fighting against you, but they can't fight you by fixing your home. By fixing your homes, they leave you. But move fixing your mind and I fight them. A Jimmy was assembled a mokache, you know. Move say a Jimmy and I only say Jimmy. They knew we are fools because they knew, say, if they come and tell us anything in the name of religion, they want to put it in the spiritual way, you know, we will forget it because everything is in the hand of God. Jimmy say, yeah. Yet you mind mo break pay juma ye ni ejuma nye ejuma no wo yakora sika he na eba masa me ka kire we juma nipa ye wa bonte a mesre wo de mesre obi nse da mba ye me passport no mfa mi ntu kwan fa mi tu kwan me ye ejuma ma wo me ye ejuma tika why country bi a wo pese wo fa wo de me ko no mesre wo de be fa me ko me ye ejuma tika me ye hard worker why me ye ejuma tika ejuma kwa brane ye no wo Ghana ha na ye buruchira me ka bibia nka ya ntokora ma nka ba disa nka matobosom kora nka matomotia ma man to motia kura ba this time no nka ma to ba yie bi e de ye bibi papa wo man nim ade ani bo odin wa asase so no ya ade miensa ba yie motia eni bosom omo bo odin papa Udi obi try me hwe braba ye me passport fa me ko mekwa ko ye adwuma me tua o ka back because nkwase adwuma nipa ye wo ha adwuma nipa ye wo ha amanfo ye wo ha esese sika nipa nya sika ne ye ho to ye wo man nim ye hu mo bloku sika no in the name of the weather if you sell they don't buy in the name of the economy there is no money so where are we coming from? Where are we going? Where we are? When we talk of system, the system, no, number one, it can be the weather. Number two, it can be the economy. The leaders are the problem. Because sometimes the weather favors us. Last me can say, bibi na achichere me kon. Enu ntere to da bia no be 1 week na hu me life no ade na ekekere me kon no ade no se be kumi me se mekasa aw me pembre me twa 1 week 2 weeks 2 months metena fie me ye video akansa ma kire Ghana fo e nonsense nkwasia moasem nkwasem asem oka no asem Dr. Baumia beka ye no e akoa na ekasa menka se kwasia na ekasa o akoa only slaves speak like them only slaves speak like our leaders principalities, evil demons and principalities are the background of the economy of Ghana. That is why the economy of Ghana they can't build the economy of Ghana because which is abosomfo. Hey, and then when you know your God is powerless, that means your God is useless, hopeless, and powerless. That means your God is useless, powerless, and hopeless. And I can't say useless, powerless, and hopeless, and nonsenseless. Your God cannot fight the devil who are fighting against you. And now you are telling me, say, hey, you fight them back. Who are you fighting back? When the citizens, and yet devil be fighting against him. And you are dream fee, I dream bonny, I dream kankani, religious minded, religious brain, Christo, so many, Nkambo, so many, didn't dream as some, I dream a Jimmy and Modity or my name. Obi si mfano Nash Cash Nana Cash I am adding you if your video will come. No, not answer from live video guest in bar. Demons and principalities are disturbing our economy, forgetting that they are the true demons. I was telling them that they say they are the demons, they are the witches, the wizard. You have the power, the authority, the command. Finally, you have the money in your hand to build the road. If you don't build the road with the power, with the money, with the command, are you not bigger and larger than a witch? Because if you don't build the road, people will die by road accident. You are a witch. I've been saying this, our leaders are witches and wizards. Now we don't want any witch. We don't need witches in the villages. No. Forget about them. Our leaders are witches, wicked, and wizard. Because they have the power, we give them the power, the authority. They have the resources. The resources is there. Why can't you build a nation with the resources? Yeah, bafo we are aboko. Thank you. Yadamasine Jumadi Amobo. Why? Munta ya chipampe sa. Why? Sesia Baumia say mame water. Mame water na mame water no na omo twe economy ne san. Mame water na fight against omo na muntimi build the economy san kwase asem say. You people have the power. We are the people who give you the power, right? You have the money. Where is the money? We have the natural resources, the cocoa, the timber. You people munim dada. We have everything. So what is stopping you from building the nation? If it is not religion and wickedness and poisonous brain. A leader like you, a bar-headed like you. A leader like you, sometimes I thought that if you have a bar-headed, you will be wise. But nowadays, the bar-headed people I don't see. In the first time, olden time, no, if you need advice, you need wisdom, you need knowledge, you go to the old people. Those who are old for advice, knowledge, and understanding. But now, our current leaders don't have any good advice for the youth. The one kasa we nkramboni ti o mayimu na sabi papa we be kan asem we say e ya honhom na eko ati o mo eno nti o mo ntime mbelde o man no na we nkramboni na wote wa na we yedin a ende won so wasem wa we Kristo na na do timi be ka che Ghana for say ye mmom mpa ye ma no na ohia nyansa a wodi bebu o man a that is na do oba betena Ghana konya so sabi na nyansa ye di bu o man no nim adria ye ni bebu o man no nim adria odi be siesi o man no nim nti obetena akonya no so yia afi na ye bebo mpa ya asra Nyankopon ho nyansa de ama ne se akonya no obetena aso no Nyankopon ma ne nyansa no mfa nhwe o man no won sabo amahu won so mo kasa mo sabe ye mu dodo na ndwene ho. That means Nanado akonya no nyambe the president of Ghana no he doesn't have any knowledge about governing, about your parents or about or mine or nim nyansa bia ba obetana so na fe na yansra nyansa ma no enya nyansa bi na ebesra ma mo ye be kire mo nyansa se na ye bu o man ye be kire mo nyansa ye nkosra nyansa bi firi nyame bi ho ye na ye be kire mo de amo be ye nyansa de se mo ye na mo bu mo ani aguso no ye be kire mo bu mo ani aguso no ye be de ye be kire mo na me se kakra se me ka me sisu bi me se me kakra me build me ho kakra me penioma kakra amanfo eboa me kakra obi be send me camera obi be send me phone obi be send me we kakra na me build me ho yue wo Ghana ha wo de mo be hu se me be de beba. Sometimes your video bi wo ya ti say di ankara na Dr. Baumia ka ye no nke se me bo me kasai na danchen me kasa na danchen na ma bo no obi ayede obi ahwe me build me ho me se me build me ho me wi a mo de mo betensem last me catch them say you were two types of cable. You were insulated cable and you were naked cable. Me a naked cable. You touch me, I will suck you. Me manumu asem me nim sada metimi akasa ato sebe de amekasa me nto sebe na eye point no e na edoso te me kasa obekase mimu ade bu ade papa. Wise Hope or say we have to sell Ghana to the white again. If we sell Ghana, they will share the money, you won't get your share. If they sell it, they have sold it. The country has been sold already. The country has been sold already. And me and you, we are there suffering. This is not the time they will say we'll sell the country. The country has been sold. Bosia na eyo omokoje no, that Bosia can never be paid back. Bosia na ya ye man peni koje no, that Bosia can never be paid back. So in that way we have been sold. Go and read Proverbs chapter 22 verse 7. Proverbs chapter 22 verse 7 tells you that anyone who borrows is a slave, but anyone who lends is the slave master. We are the borrowers, they are the lenders. We are the slaves. They have sold the nation. And Nanado, and how do you call it? Our leaders are enjoying with that money. That is why we say, no, let us share the money. But we don't need physical money. The omo de be maye no, o mine maton, majiska, sikano, mocha, mamunche maye physical cash. Ye here physical cash. Ye de no momboa boa no, mumfancy hospital maye. ye yale a yanya baby papa kosa ye ho yale because ye yale ye ni sika te say mo a ye bedwane akọ UK Dubai ni ye fa ne say other European countries akosa ye ho yale te say mo ye no enti o man no mo aton a mo kan kire say o man ya ton na ye di sika na aba na sika no mo o man made no mo pedin na ye kan kire mo say ye pe good hospitals ye pe good road ye fa ne say ye pe boreholes ye pe nsuo papa ye pe good electrical installation monye light ma ye dum so monye na pipe atututum no monye nsu papa nye de emaye monye kwan papa maye mon si education good education maye mon si school papa maye na ye manko school ene ye friend say ye friend say how do you call it enioma ye be hia wo school no mo ntoto school no desk ni computers na mo mfa to school na mo ma ye good education na de aka no mo mfa nsiesie mo fie na de aka no mo mfa nsiesie mo fie na Dr. Bawumia be ka kire Ghana for say the economy no omo no me ma me nko kan asem no kan no obi twere o ha ma me nko kan na o say Bawumia said demons and principalities are disturbing our economy. Demons and principalities are fighting against Nanado and his vice president Bawumia. Demons and principalities are fighting against the MPP government. The MPP, your friend is saying, Abai MPP party. That is why they can't fix the nation. Because demons and principalities are in control. Our witches, our demons, our evils, our mami water dems, our bosom dems, our mutia dems, our bayfo dems are fighting against them. And to see kana yedi be si dino, yedi be si affordable houses no. Affordable houses on CDS in Urem, sika yedi be complete no. Abayfo be first kana de akwa abayfo camp. Sikana yedi be si yedi be road ewo mikrom anyana mine. From Dambai to Anyanamai, who could do Dambaya, a pantu back up the transio, a pantu, a year Jumane boy in braces, ne pompe, just a modern shoe nanoma addiction. Just a modern shoe nanoma addiction, or my baby. Ah, or yen to me, your pantu, a bed, pantu, a better soon so, who took quite could do one a jar, pantu in the overcar, and I do. A just a walk down tuntum, a duck, a soja, and I do. Tito de be a nipple a 2 kwaya, now general. Now, Dr. Bawumia will be catching Ghana for say because demons and principalities are by for a convo, emotia, mami water, or quarter for or my bacon or more fighting against the economy of Ghana. A nuntin and you people can know a DNA hamu, penifone, that be a day we movie. Mo sumie movie. And I'm sumie na efi. I'm say Ghana, the president and the vice president of Ghana, sumie no mudi omutu to sono. Sa sumie na yefi nti omo dwen omo nwin anamu didi amon no nkwan anamu ndidi wa yi wa mu Ghana mpenifo eya mu didi amon no nkwan the vice president of Ghana the president of Ghana Nanado yesram ye pamcho eya mu didi a mu ndidi wa yi wa mu na mu nom nkwan mu didi pizza ne jollof ne ye fa ne say sa aborofo aduane na ma mu adwe nyina say eya mu ndi local food kakra mu ni nkontombre eya mu ni kwa unsusua eya mu ndi locals na mu adwe mbra fie na mu adwe nya adwuma na mu ndwe oman no ho kakra na mu nya nkwase asem na mu ka kire yen say na demons and principalities are fighting against you will fight back. When are you fighting back? When are you fighting back? I got 3 years, no. When are you fighting back? Until when will you finish the fight and come and fix the economy and come and fix the road, come and fix your education, come and fix affordable houses, come and fix our hospitals. Go to hospital and see. Baby, I am a for better. You work a lot of form. 64 years. Now you won't call out of form. Na mama ya fa ne say empedifo no why na ya won ba oga ya ne ba ya won oga na ha mo yire no munyimo a na mo de mo kwa ebrochi na mo akọ na ye green card amomo ye na ye jimi na maja ye we ha na meti papa bi din ayesi ya fa ne bibi palago say aku palago say aki palago say aku palago say hwan palago ono menyanya na mbre meba ni nti meba se bibi palago what say fa say den palago what say fa say Aki palagu, aki palala na agi palasu. Aki palasu. Asama Bawumia kano. O ka asem de adi ni ho atem. Adi ni Nyankopon atem. Adi nti na mekasa. Dr. Bawumia se ahonhom na asola tia wo. Oye nkrambonia. Nkrambofo nkyerɛkyerɛ sɛ everything is by the will of Allah. Ade bone, ade papa, tuntum, fita, ensio, ewia, awo, eni ahuguro ni nyina fi Nyankopon ho. Nti according to the belief of Islam, bibia ni we besi a Nyankopon ni nsa wom, Allah nyawe, Allah yawe. So Dr. Bawumia, if you are a true and correct and genuine Muslim, then you know say everything is by the will of Allah. And it is Allah who allowed the demons and principalities to fight against you. You don't need to tell say you will fight them back. Fighting them back is fighting Allah. Dr. Bawumia, are you with me? Kajiko, Kanaji. Hello, Kinji. If everything is by the will of Allah, say bibi ebesi bia ye Allah. If everything is by the will of Allah, then Dr. Bawumia is telling Ghanaians say that if demons and principalities are fighting against them, that means it is the will of Allah for the demons and principalities to fight against Allah. Point number 1, because who can Quran chapter 2, 31 no tama Nyankopon opamu Iblis, opamu Iblis no say Iblis me asemo Iblis according to Quran chapter 2 o kanya Nyankopon ka kire abofo se obi ankoto Adam ena Iblis nkwa wo se onye de onkoto Adam ena Nyankopon pamu Iblis yi kono ena Iblis ka kire Nyankopon se ende Nyankopon ma ne tumi enti ono Iblis okono ono nso obekwa dada tumi enti Iblis dada tumi na ebi ye mame wota demons any principalities na Dr. Bawumia na wo yenkramboni na wo kasa no Iblis na oji tumi ni firi Nyankopon ho. So it is the will of Allah for demons and principalities to fight against you and your economy and your party MPP and your president Nana Akufo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ana yefane say Nana Akufo Adankwa. So if Bawumia, you are telling me you fight them back, then you are here telling people say the true Muslims and true genuine Muslims say you want to fight back Allah. Have you forgotten your belief? Have you forgotten what your Quran and your belief is telling you? Say everything is by the will of Allah. So it is the will of Allah for the principalities and the demons to fight against you. Me catch them say we don't need religious leaders. And after fixing the country, no, we need only one thing. Your replacement and your fixing. These people, Nanado, Bawumia, John Mahama, and these people, their brain is not ready to be fixed. We need to replace their brain. But we will force them. They will start fixing the country. After they fix it to a point of level, we sack them, we replace them. We need to replace our leaders with our traditional Akomfono or freedom fighters. The only people who can lead Ghana into a good destination are either Akomfo or freedom fighters. People like Abraham Dimoshe, Captain Smart, how do you call it? Ohini David, Kenny Jonas. These are the people who can lead the nation now. I'm mekano korachero. Catch say, yes. Because our leaders think when they scam, they loot, they kill you, they destroy you, they won't see nothing here. Nothing will happen to them here. I'm saying for me that's say watch a video no. E ma we remfika na subscribe man why? CSF Yahuda. Mon subscribe YouTube. Mon subscribe man why? Na ya mon subscribe na my den. Mon like na mon share. na ya na maboa bundle na intimi mfa ya intimi ka no kore nkyerɛ mo na mo nsɛm agu too much ne nyina aka ho no manya yɛ omo yɛ saa no the bundle kakra na wo de atoso Yahuda mama utu ayi bio ti big up to Kwabena Aboku Kwabena Aboku bafo minipa oya de papa bundle de ondi agro what you say na maboa ye won 10 cd 20 cd na mapushi aguso won scanning ni wo eye adwuma scanning ni wo nti ye koye kakra na ya agye bundle you have to do it we have to do it nti ya na maboa won aboa bundle bi na mato asene sometimes obi pe bibi obi be pe bibi ade na obepe na gise ye use bundle ko ya won wonya ye ya na adwene say bia you don't have time for him yes na tie ye wade bi ho you have to say ye bundle ye bibi ansa ya koye de yakopa aba esremo research bi ho gise wo ye ho so o data na okoye won tie esremo ye pamcho bibiri ye pamcho momboa ye ne ntimi push movement to the next level momboa ye eye mo na mo hyase momboa ye ne enye de ye ntimi push to the next level. I don't see the wisdom in this video. Okay, we don't call you here. We don't call you here. So if you don't see any wisdom, you better go. Okay, you better go. Emmanuel Atta. You better go. Why? I didn't come to your house to come and knock. Emmanuel Atta, come and listen to me. I didn't come. I just on my phone. I came live and you came and saw me. So if you don't like it, you better cross. This is the wisdom in the video. The wisdom in this video is if somebody is doing something you don't like, leave the person because you don't know why the person is doing that. Uti. So the wisdom is saying you better pass away and go. Okay? When a fools keep quiet, we don't see him as a fool. But anytime the fool starts speaking, we see that this guy is a fool. So kwasia muona noa yehu so yo kwasia. But kwasia sha so kasa. Na numu kasa o kanti edi adanse so yo kwasia. Emmanuel, pechiao, why ade pa? Se won hunyansa bia na watwam why? Why? Pedasi. Judgment House yedamase. Enti mun kanche Dr. Bawumia yesre mun kanche ne say, my mom beka biom say demons and principalities are fighting against Omo and they will fight back. Enye dwuma. No demon is fighting against anyone. You mess up the game. And we are putting the game into order. We are rearranging the game for you people. But mom pesa mo beti asese yembu ne be rearrange amount. Wow, yedamase yedebia besia yebesan chia biom. Where is Yahuda? But my subscribe on YouTube. Bye bye.